Hello guys, I am doing a personal vlog. I am outside of my house now. It's a little bright, ain't it? Where'd everyone go? Oh. Hold on. Why you guys go down here? I thought we were in the back. I thought we were in the back. I'm literally recording a video right now. Sorry. We're not going that way. Today I will have my two brothers with me. If my sister and my sister and my stepsister plus my cousin want to join in, anyone else want to join in, they can if they're my family only. So I just wanted to talk with you guys about, I don't know, Minecraft. Oh, what did I forget? Oh, yes. Now, can you guys see my face?
Watch out, dead rat.
What?
Dead rat.
Don't say that to the viewers. Okay. Five Nights at Freddy's 4. Ready? Listen to this. The sound you hear after the child's head is crushed by Fredbear's mouth. You hear a familiar sound. Now, if you're not doing anything right now, go watch that. Go play FNAF 4 and listen carefully. Then go play FNAF 4. Restart the game. Then play. What are you gonna play?
FNAF 4.
Alright, now
listen to.
Shut up. Now let one of the characters jump scare you. Then listen to the sound of the crying child's head being crushed. Okay? And those two sounds are so familiar. You can hear them. Literally.
Make it towards me.
Literally. I'm dead serious. It's just crazy. It sounds the same. The and the jump scare. Oh my gosh. Sound the same. Okay guys, like the video, subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see more videos on me. I might do some plays or anything, but just like the video, subscribe, hit the little bell when it shows up, and I will see you next time.